Ito po ang aking target. Yay! Hi, this is my friend Dora, and we are gonna try Gandiva. It's gonna be my first time to try Gandiva, but it's gonna be her second time. I heard she has inborn talent in archery. Oh my god! She's like Katniss the second. How I wish! Finally going in, I finished my smoothie and we can finally enter Gandiva. Diva? Arm guard. Kung singkaw ka girl, nakag-friend sa singkaw mo. Kumusta ang arm mo girl? Arm guard to protect you from bruising. Yun! Aray! Pow! Ito po ang aking target. Yay! Pero joke lang po, ito po talaga yung target namin. At malalaman nyo na, ang galing ni Dora! At malalaman nyo na, hindi po talaga ako perfect. Yan, tingnan nyo naman. Kasi po, matangkad po ako kaya ganon. Yan ang perfect excuse. Pero ito po talaga ang namin. Target, dream target. Yan. Si Sir po yung expert dito. Expert sa Gandiva. Ayan. Tingnan niyo yan. Actually, sa kanya yung target na yun. Oh my God. Hello! Second time here in Gandiva. And I'm with Dora again. And with some of my friends. Hi, kids. It's gonna be their first time to try archery. So, are you excited? Yeah. I'm excited for them too. I'm shaking though, my camera is so heavy. Hi, Jo. Ang kuanta diri og ka na. Kasi ma-discover na yung hidden talent, Jo. She's gonna be a YouTuber soon. Watch out for her videos with ring light. Andre. Tarong ka sa day mong bangs.
Bangs daw niya.
Day, parehang mo blondie.
Blondie kayo. Palitin.
Lotte.
Hello, mother.
Gandiva! Ako di ay? Ay, sorry! Amin ako. Sige, go. Sorry ha. Sige, prepare. Naka-record naman ako all the time. Position. Okay. 3, 2, 1, fire!
What did you do?
Si Sophie, oh.
January 9th, we opened to the public, and we never expected the number of people interested in archery. And of course, we didn't know how much people who has already been doing archery for a long time here in Davao. So I would like to invite everyone to come to Gandiva. We're located at 4th floor Adventure Zone here at the G Mall of Davao, and there are so many friendly packages which you can avail. You can bring your friends or you can play on your own, but I would always suggest to come and bring your friends and have fun.
What can you say about your Gandiva experience?
Super.
May potential.
Lalo ko future.
Pagulayan sister. Pagulayan sister.
Kung kamu taga Davao, you should visit Gandiva Archery Davao, located at G Mall. Yeah.
There are.